Welcome to my channel, dear student. In this video we are going to solve this simple math question. Mostly people can solve this question by this wrong method. 8 divided by 8 equals 1 divided by 8 divided by 8 again equals 1 and 1 divided by 1 equals 1. But trust me, this answer is absolutely wrong. Now I am going to solve this question by correct method. Guys, whenever an expression there are more than one division, then we can solve it from left to right. So 8 divided by 8 equals 1 divided by 8 divided by 8. Now here 1 divided by 8 I can write as divided by 8. To solve this part, guys, we follow the keep change flip rule, which say that whenever we change division to multiplication, then numerator is changed to denominator and denominator is changed to numerator. So we can write this as 1 times 1 equals 1 and 8 times 8 equals 64. This is the final answer of this question. Guys, if you enjoy this video, then subscribe to the channel.